how to change time and date on Shopify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click on your profile in top corner, and then click manage accounts, and then just scroll down, scroll until you find here this one, this one, time zone. Now just click on it, and that's it. Now just select any time you want here, and that's it. Just select it and then go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.